Tim here. So today's video is going to be a little different than what you're used to seeing on my channel. So today I'm actually going to be talking about Savis workshop, which is where I built my lightsaber. So this lightsaber right here, this is something that I'm very proud of. I talked about it in my setup video, just an experience that I was super happy with going through at Walt Disney World. I built mine at Hollywood Studios in Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. You can also do this in California at Disneyland at Galaxy's Edge. They do have the experience available there. But overall, I think the experience was great. And let's get into some of the reasons why. The experience is $220. They actually take reservations ahead of time, and I believe it's about 60 days in advance you can make a reservation. You can also walk up, but I believe it's kind of tough sometimes to get a walk-up reservation. Maybe you can get it later in the day, or maybe very early in the morning, or if you're lucky, you can have someone cancel the reservation. I'm not sure how often that happens, but it is possible. Now, I would say definitely make a reservation if you do want to do this experience. It is quite an expensive experience, but I think personally it's worth it. Now, you make the reservation in advance, or you can walk up. I believe reservations are definitely recommended, but you go there and you choose what type of lightsaber you want to build, and then you kind of go from there. So there's 4 different types of lightsabers that you can build. There's Peace and Justice, Power and Control, Elemental Nature, and Protection and Defense. Now, I went with Elemental Nature. This is what this is. When you sign up for the experience, or when you finally choose which one you want to do, you do get a pin that actually is similar to what your lightsaber is. So this is the Elemental Nature pin. I leave it here with my lightsaber stand on my side, and I just think it's a cool little addition. Pins tend to be kind of expensive if you collect pins at Disney World. You do know that. But overall, I think the experience and the price you pay is a little high, but also I think it's very worth it, especially if you're a Star Wars fan. So once you pick your lightsaber and you're giving your pin and you're set up, you're taken back into the workshop and you're kind of giving your tools to build your lightsaber. So the parts included in your build are your hilt. You get 2 sleeves, 1 emitter, 1 pommel cap, and then also an activation switch and a plate. And you also get to choose your kyber crystal, which is the color of your lightsaber. Now, the experience itself is really cool, especially if you're a Star Wars fan. You get to experience what it's like to build a lightsaber. And they're giving you information about lightsabers, and you even get a guest experience from a Jedi Knight himself. I'm not going to say who. I don't want to spoil it for anyone that does want to go through the experience, but overall, such a great experience. When you first turn on your lightsabers, the whole room comes lit up, and it's just an awesome experience to see everyone light up their lightsabers at the same time.
Activate! Builders, raise your lightsabers! You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith who came before you. And just like them, you will change the galaxy.
You get this feeling in your gut. You're like, wow, this is just different. It's a different type of experience for sure. Not something I've ever really experienced before in my life, but overall, I think the price was worth it. The quality of the lightsabers as well are very nice. You pay $220 and you're not getting some kind of plastic lightsaber. The material is, it's a metal material. It's just great quality in my opinion. You can change out the different parts, and actually let me go ahead and speak about that. So you can actually buy extra parts as well. So if you do decide to go with certain things within your lightsaber, so for example, I went with Elemental Nature, you can buy all the different parts, the extra emitter, pommel caps, and do the different switch. It's just, you can buy all the extra parts if you want. I don't know the price individually of each. I don't remember what I paid for it. I remember it wasn't exactly the cheapest, but you can buy the parts individually. So if you want to have every single part for your lightsaber, you can do that. Also, if you want to change your color of your lightsaber, you can buy extra kyber crystals in Doc Endor's shop. So I believe they have several different options for different kyber crystals, and you can buy those in the Doc Endor shop. I don't know exactly which colors they have. I don't have a list in front of me, but I know you can get purple, blue, green, red, the main colors you would see in Star Wars, and I believe you can also get gold as well. Now, I know the price is expensive, but if you're a Star Wars fan and you would love to build a lightsaber, kind of go through the experience, I 100% think it's worth the experience. I highly recommend it. You can also buy a legacy lightsaber in Doc Endor's shop. So when you're done building your lightsaber, you do come out where Doc Endor's shop is, and you can go up there and you can look at different lightsabers. Now, when I was there in August, you did have to have a queue to go and look at the lightsabers themselves. My wife actually bought Leia's lightsaber. It's a pretty neat lightsaber. It's pretty cool. It does come with, I believe, a case. It comes with a lightsaber itself, and then also comes with a blade that you can put in there. I don't think you can change out the kyber crystals. I think it's just a permanent color, but overall, I think it's worth it. The lightsaber itself is really nice, and the quality is great. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like. Let me know if you're going to be going to Galaxy's Edge anytime soon and you plan on building a lightsaber. Overall, again, I think it's a great experience. I think you should do it if you're really interested in doing so. You know, it's just something really fun. Being able to experience lighting up your lightsaber for the first time. It's just something that's, you know, hard to describe, but it's just a good feeling. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. So if you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.